Welcome to our journey through the history of classic pickup trucks. These vehicles have transcended their utilitarian roots to become icons of design, power, and performance. From muscle trucks to off-road legends, we've gathered the 20 most epic classic pickup trucks that have left a mark on automotive history. Let's dive in. 1. 2004 to 2006 Dodge Ram SRT-10 was all muscle. The Dodge Ram SRT-10 is a beast, boasting an 8.3-liter V10 engine from the Dodge Viper, churning out a staggering 500 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse enabled it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds, making it the fastest production truck of its time. Its aggressive exterior, highlighted by a bold hood scoop, 22-inch wheels, and a rear spoiler, screams performance. Inside, it's all about driver focus with leather seats, a racing-inspired dashboard, and an audio system that could rival some home setups. Priced around $45,000 when new, the Ram SRT-10 offered a thrilling ride and undeniable street presence, making it a favorite among performance enthusiasts. 2. 2010 to 2014 Ford SVT Raptor has teeth. The Ford SVT Raptor redefined off-roading with its 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 411 horsepower and 434 pound-feet of torque. This beastly engine, combined with a specially designed suspension system, allowed it to conquer the toughest terrains with ease. Its rugged exterior, featuring flared fenders, skid plates, and a distinctive grille, ensured it could tackle any terrain. The interior combines comfort with functionality, offering leather seats, advanced tech, and a spacious cabin perfect for long journeys. Initially priced at $41,995, this SVT Raptor boasts impressive off-road capabilities and a commanding road presence, making it a top choice for adventure seekers. 3. 1968 to 1972 Chevrolet El Camino was half truck, half car, and all fun. The Chevrolet El Camino, with its unique blend of muscle car and pickup truck, features a powerful 396V engine that produces 375 horsepower. This engine gave it the muscle to match its aggressive styling. Its sleek, car-like exterior and spacious bed make it versatile and stylish, perfect for hauling loads or cruising in style. Inside, it's all about comfort with bench seats, a straightforward dashboard, and an optional air conditioning system. Originally priced around $3,000, the El Camino offered performance with a touch of practicality, becoming a classic favorite for those who wanted the best of both worlds. 4. 1972 to 1976 Ford Ranchero is a muscle truck born in the Torino. The Ford Ranchero, based on the Torino platform, came with a variety of powerful engines, including the formidable 351 Cleveland V8. This engine provided ample power, making it a true muscle truck. Its unique blend of car and truck elements gave it a distinct look, with a sleek front end and a functional rear bed. The interior was spacious and comfortable, with options for premium upholstery, a center console, and even an AM/FM radio. Priced around $2,800 new, the Ranchero provided a practical yet powerful driving experience, making it a popular choice for those who wanted style and substance in one package. 5. 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram is an everyday pickup with a powertrain of gold. The Dodge Ram of this era featured a range of robust engines, including the renowned 5.9-liter Cummins turbo diesel, which produced 160 to 235 horsepower and up to 460 pound-feet of torque. This engine was celebrated for its durability and performance, making the Ram a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Its bold exterior design with a prominent grille and muscular lines set it apart from the competition. The interior was spacious, offering comfort and functionality for daily use, with options for leather seats, a premium sound system, and ample storage space. Price starting at $14,000, the Dodge Ram combined everyday usability with impressive power and durability, making it a staple in the pickup truck market. 6. 1991 to 1992 GMC Cyclone is a muscle car that is actually a truck. The GMC Cyclone, with its turbocharged 4.3-liter V6 engine, delivered an impressive 280 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain allowed it to achieve a 0 to 60 mph time of just 4.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks ever produced. Its understated exterior, featuring blacked-out trim and 16-inch wheels, belied its performance capabilities. Inside, it featured bucket seats, a sporty dashboard, and unique Cyclone badging. Priced at $25,970, the Cyclone offered sports car performance in a pickup truck body, creating a niche market for high-performance trucks and becoming a collector's favorite. 7. 1978 to 1979 Dodge Lil Red Express was muscle after it was out of fashion. The Dodge Lil Red Express featured a 360 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 225 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This made it one of the fastest American vehicles from 0 to 100 mph at the time. Its distinctive red exterior, adorned with chrome exhaust stacks, wooden bed rails, and bold graphics, made it a head-turner. Inside, it offered vinyl seats, a simple yet functional dashboard, and unique Lil Red Express badging. Initially priced at $7,000, the Lil Red Express combined muscle car aesthetics with pickup practicality, making it a unique and memorable classic truck that stood out in a crowded market. 8. 1990 to 1993 Chevy 454 SS is built for speed and power. The Chevy 454 SS packed a 7.4-liter V8 engine, delivering 230 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. This powerful engine, coupled with a performance-tuned suspension, made it a formidable street truck. Its aggressive exterior featured graphics, a blacked-out grille, and 15-inch wheels emphasized speed and power. The interior was driver-focused, with supportive bucket seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a straightforward dashboard layout. Priced around $18,000, the 454 SS was built for those who craved power and performance in a pickup truck, offering a unique blend of muscle car and truck characteristics. 9. 1986 to 1993 Lamborghini LN002 is a high-end pickup/car. The Lamborghini LN002, powered by a 5.2-liter V12 engine from the Countach, offered 444 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain enabled it to tackle both off-road terrain and highways with equal prowess. Its rugged, angular exterior design, featuring large fender flares and aggressive lines, was complemented by luxury touches such as leather seats and wood trim. Inside, it featured a plush interior with high-end materials, advanced controls, and a premium sound system. Priced at $120,000, the LN002 combined off-road capability with high-end luxury, making it a unique entry in the pickup world and a symbol of automotive extravagance. 10. 1989 Dodge Shelby Dakota is a zippy mid-size performance truck. The Dodge Shelby Dakota, with its 5.2-liter V8 engine, produced 175 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. This engine gave it brisk acceleration and a sporty driving experience. Its sporty exterior, highlighted by Shelby graphics, alloy wheels, and a unique front air dam, stood out among mid-sized trucks. The interior offered bucket seats, a Shelby-specific steering wheel, and custom badging, emphasizing its performance pedigree. Priced at $15,813, the Shelby Dakota was a zippy, limited edition truck that combined performance and style, making it a standout in the mid-sized truck segment and a favorite among Shelby enthusiasts. 11. 1993 to 1995 Ford Lightning was created by the Ttile. The Ford Lightning, developed by the Special Vehicle Team, SVT, featured a 5.8-liter V8 engine, delivering 240 horsepower and 340 pound-feet of torque. This powerful engine, paired with a performance suspension system, made it a true high-performance truck. Its aerodynamic exterior with a unique grille, lower body kit, and bold SVT badging emphasized speed and agility. Inside, it combines sportiness with practicality, offering supportive bucket seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and an upgraded audio system. Priced around $20,000, the Lightning was designed. 14. 1963 to 1971 Jeep Gladiator is an off-road classic legend. The Jeep Gladiator, with its robust engines, was built for off-road adventures and tough tasks. Its rugged exterior, featuring a 7-slot grille, boxy design, and high ground clearance, is iconic and instantly recognizable. The interior was utilitarian, focusing on functionality and durability, with features such as vinyl seats and a simple dashboard. Priced around $3,500, the Gladiator offered excellent off-road performance, reliability, and the ability to tackle rough terrains with ease, becoming a legend in the 4x4 community and a classic that is still celebrated by off-road enthusiasts today. 15. 1986 to 1997 Nissan Hardbody is basic but dependable. The Nissan Hardbody, known for its reliability and durability, featured a range of efficient engines, including a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that produced 134 horsepower. This engine provided enough power for daily tasks and off-road adventures. Its simple, durable exterior design, with a tough frame and solid build quality, made it a workhorse. The interior was basic but comfortable, emphasizing practicality with features like durable fabric seats and an easy-to-use dashboard. Priced starting at $10,000, the Hardbody became a favorite for its dependability, low maintenance costs, and ability to handle a variety of tasks with ease. 16. 1979 to 1983 Toyota pickup changed the idea of small trucks for off-roading. The Toyota pickup, with its reliable engines, revolutionized the concept of small trucks, especially for off-roading. Its 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 97 horsepower, was known for its durability and efficiency. Its rugged exterior design, featuring a compact yet durable frame, was perfect for off-road adventures. The interior was straightforward, focusing on functionality with features like durable vinyl seats and a simple ergonomic dashboard. Priced around $5,000, the Toyota pickup offered unmatched reliability and off-road capabilities, setting a new standard for small trucks and becoming a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and adventurers. 17. 1967 to 1972 Chevrolet C-Series were built for the everyday person. The Chevrolet C-Series, featuring a range of V8 engines including the powerful 350 cubic inch V8, was designed for daily use and versatility. This engine provided robust performance, making it suitable for various tasks. Its clean, simple exterior design, with a timeless appeal and solid construction, has made it a classic. The interior was comfortable, with options for upgraded materials, a spacious cabin, and modern amenities such as air conditioning and a premium audio system. Priced starting at $2,500, the C-Series provided practicality, reliability, and style, becoming a staple in American households and a favorite among classic truck enthusiasts. 18. 1972 to 1979 Datsun D20 was small to fit the demand. The Datsun D20, with its efficient engines, catered to the growing demand for small, fuel-efficient trucks. Its 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 96 horsepower, was known for its reliability and economy. Its compact exterior design, featuring a lightweight and agile frame, was perfect for urban environments and tight spaces. The interior was basic but functional, focusing on utility with features like durable fabric seats and a straightforward dashboard. Priced around $3,000, the D20 offered affordability, practicality, and low running costs, becoming a popular choice for budget-conscious buyers and those needing a reliable small truck for everyday tasks. 1946 to 1968 Dodge Power Wagon is a four-wheel drive truck to remember. The Dodge Power Wagon, known for its four-wheel drive capabilities, featured robust engines including the 230 cubic inch flathead six-cylinder engine. This engine provided enough power for tough tasks and off-road adventures. Its rugged exterior design, with a military-inspired look, heavy-duty construction, and high ground clearance, is iconic and instantly recognizable. The interior was utilitarian, focusing on durability and practicality with features like durable vinyl seats and a simple, easy-to-clean dashboard. Priced around $5,000, the Power Wagon offered unmatched off-road performance, reliability, and the ability to tackle rough terrains, becoming a legendary workhorse and a classic that is still celebrated today. 1917 Ford Model TT is the classic truck that started it all. The Ford Model TT, the first mass-produced truck, featured a reliable four-cylinder engine producing 20 horsepower. This engine provided enough power for the era's tasks and paved the way for future truck designs. Its utilitarian exterior design, with a sturdy frame and solid construction, set the standard for future trucks. The interior was basic, focusing on functionality with features like a simple, easy-to-use dashboard and durable seating. Priced at $600, the Model TT offered affordability, practicality, and a foundation for the modern pickup truck, laying the groundwork for an entire industry and becoming a true classic in automotive history. These classic pickup trucks represent the evolution of power, performance, and style. From muscle trucks to off-road legends, each has left an indelible mark on automotive history. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates a good truck, these 20 epic pickups are truly unforgettable. Stay tuned for more automotive journeys, and thank you for watching.